If you've mentally quit your job about 17 times just this week, your bank account won't actually let you do it, then this video is for you. We've been sold this idea that budgeting is about sacrifice, but really it's about options. Options to leave, to choose, and to say no to things that don't serve us anymore. I'm gonna show you the simplest budget that actually works, and in the next 90 seconds, I'm gonna give you something that you can do right now that's gonna put money back into your pocket this week. Here's your first move, and you can do this while you're watching the video. Open your bank app. I know, but stay with me. Go to your subscriptions or reoccurring charges. Scroll through the last 30 days and ask yourself one question. No shaming. Ask yourself, what did I pay for and completely forget about? And I'm talking about streaming services that you don't use anymore, app subscriptions that automatically renew, gym memberships that you're not using, and that free trial that after 7 days, it was no longer free. Pick one and cancel it right now. Pause the video if you need to. Let's just say you canceled one that was worth $15. Congrats, you just found $180 for the year. That's $180 towards your highest interest credit card, your emergency fund, and you just made progress in under 2 minutes. Most of us are walking in the dark with our money. We're bumping into bills, tripping over charges, and hoping nothing painful pops up when we check our accounts. But listen, a budget is not a punishment. It's your flashlight. It just shows you what's there so you can stop stumbling around in the dark. And the budget I'm about to show you is simple enough that you can draw it on a sticky note. This is the 3-part system. Imagine you have 3 buckets. One is non-negotiables, freedom moves, and joy money. Non-negotiables is the stuff that you have to pay for in order to live. Rent, utilities, insurance, credit card minimums. Your freedom moves, these are extra debt payments or payments to your emergency fund or your joy money. This is the fun stuff that you actually care about. The goal is for your non-negotiables to be covered, your freedom moves to be automatic, and your joy money to be there without shame. Here's what that looks like in real life. Let's say Sarah makes $3,800 a month. Her non-negotiables are $2,600 a month. That leaves us with $1,200. She automates $300 to her freedom moves, extra debt payments, student loans, credit cards, etc. And the rest she allots for joy money. She still gets brunch, she still gets her nails done, and she doesn't spiral when she orders takeout. And the best part is her credit card balance is shrinking every month, and that's the difference between hoping you're doing okay and knowing that you're making progress. So here's how to set this up. Grab last month's statement, and you only need 20 minutes, max. Highlight everything that you must pay: house, food, gas, utilities. Label that your non-negotiables. Write down your take-home pay. Subtract your non-negotiables, and what's left is money that's able to be used for your freedom moves and your joy money. And if there's almost nothing left at all, that's not failure. That's just information. And it's good information to know. That means that we need to be absolutely ruthless with where the rest of the money goes. Pick a number for your freedom moves. This could be 20% of your paycheck, or it could be $30. Just pick something that you won't miss. Set up 2 automatic transfers on payday. 1 is to a savings account, and 2 is an extra payment to your highest interest debt. Your freedom moves need to leave first before you have an opportunity to spend them. Everything after that, that's your joy money. Spend it, live it, enjoy it, because you've already handled everything important. Step 3 is aim at the right debt. Not all debt is created equal. Credit cards, 20% interest. Compounding, evil. Student loans and car loans, 4 to 8%. Still sucks, but it's less urgent. Your mortgage, that's a different structure entirely, and I can make a different video on that if you want. These are the moves you're gonna make in regards to these things. Minimums on everything. Extra money, all of it goes to your highest interest debt until it's dead. Then what you're gonna do is roll that entire payment that you were paying into another debt. Here's an example. You have $5,000 on a credit card at 24% interest. Let's say you have an $8,000 car loan on 6% of interest. Then you have $30,000 of student loans at 4% interest. Kill the credit card first, immediately. Don't even bat an eye. Then the car, then your student loans. One at a time, create that domino effect. So here's a quick recap of everything that you're doing this week. You can do it, and you should do it, and you'll succeed. Number 1, cancel the forgotten subscription. And if you're a smart cookie, you might have already done this. Kudos to you if you have. Number 2, figure out your non-negotiable number. Number 3, set up 1 automatic freedom move, even if it's $25. This will help an insane amount. Those $25 can be taken away from your joy money. you will be okay. That's it. That's how you start. If you want a free template that walks you through it step by step, feel free to grab it in the description below. It has the checklist for you to find your hidden money and an actual worksheet. It'll take 15 minutes, and that way you'll know exactly where you stand. You are not bad with money. You are not irresponsible. Most of us were never taught this, let alone in general education, but especially a lot of the times not our home. Shame doesn't make payments. It just makes you avoid the problem, and you're better than that. So try this instead. Say to yourself, past me did the best that she could. Present me has a plan, and future me is gonna be so glad that I started today. Go cancel the subscription.